Artificial General Intelligence Toastmaster Ganapathi Devappa.
Good evening, Toastmasters and guests. Good evening. Let me just play a small audio with me.
Hey, ChatGPT, I'm Mark. How are you?
Oh, Mark. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, so I'm on stage right now. I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert here.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow down a bit there. Mark, you're not a vacuum cleaner. Breathe in for a count of 4.
Okay, let me try again. So I'm gonna breathe in deeply, and then breathe
And then
out.
for 4, and then exhale slowly.
Okay, I'll try again. Breathing in, and breathe out.
That's it. How do you feel?
I feel a lot better. Thank you so much.
So that was ChatGPT showing emotions and vocal variety like a seasoned Toastmaster. There is an attestation of what we call artificial general intelligence. I see a lot of question marks on faces. Because you have heard of artificial intelligence. You also know about human intelligence. Then what is this artificial general intelligence? I'll make that clear to you today. And you will also have a question and answer session in the end to facilitate and clarify any doubts you may have. Let's begin. Artificial general intelligence is an extension of artificial intelligence that aims to provide machines the ability to understand and act with human intelligence. Now, we all know that computers can do wonderful things. They can help in space travel, going to the moon or to the Mars, or in space exploration in the Hubble telescopes. They can help with medical diagnostics like MRI and CT scans. They can help with automated driving, not in India but in the US. But how do we define human intelligence? We consider 5 parameters. Suppose your son or your friend goes to college and returns with the results. You see his face and you don't need to ask over the result. That is emotional intelligence. Second, you unpack your iron box. You don't touch it immediately. That is common sense. You see the paintings of Raja Ravivarma, the great artist. I've seen a painting in Mysore Palace about a royal procession where there are hundreds of people looking at the procession and each person's face has a different expression. That is creativity and imagination. You don't make jokes about people's race or color or gender. That is ethical considerations. I walk my dog in the morning near a park, and some people ask, "What is his name? How old is it?" I tell them, and I also ask their name, but I don't ask their age. That is cultural sensitivity. This kind of defines human intelligence levels. And how can we make computers Think at these levels. Let me take a step back. Imagine a person born blind, not able to hear or speak from the birth. Do we expect the person to display the same level of intelligence like us? Computers are like that. They have computational power in the brain, but they don't have the perceptions like us. So what will be the perception to them? There are 3 areas of research which have gone into this to make the computers and do them artificial general intelligence like humans. One, language intelligence. You have seen ChatGPT from last year that it is able to understand textual English language and many other languages. You can ask questions, you can answer them, you can also ask questions, you can create stories, you can create poems, and even you can summarize articles. So there is high level of achievements happen there. But there are still some gaps that we cannot do, like reflections. As we think about our own thoughts, our planning, where we collaborate with many people and come up with a strategy and plan. But even that has come forward a lot. Second area is conversational intelligence. With respect to listening and speaking. We just saw the demo at ChatGPT was able to understand the person as well as answer questions and talk like a human being. So even audio and conversational intelligence has come to a level where it is a high level of accuracy. Here the problem is not just accuracy, but also the response time. Because we humans can respond in sub-seconds, 0.3 seconds to a question and you can understand audio. And with ChatGPT, they were able to achieve that level with 0.28 seconds of response time. Third is vision, computer vision, which is much more complicated because we know that our visual abilities are much higher. Here are the significant research that has been done, and I am proud to say that our own previous Toastmaster is currently working at CMU, Pittsburgh, working in this area of computer vision. So here, the computers can understand not only all the objects that we can see, but also have spatial understanding. Like we can say that if I move this book, the book on the top of the table, that kind of spatial understanding. And also memory of all the things that says, which in the recent demo practically displayed, that you can see the people's face and understand the emotions on the face. Plus, in the Google Gemini demo, we showed that we can even remember objects and tell that, okay, the apple is on the table and the book can fall from the table. Those type of inferences computers can make. So with these 3 capabilities, the computers are trying to gain the human level of intelligence with the aim of achieving artificial general intelligence. But still, there is a concept of diminishing returns. So as we get more closer, it takes more time to get there. And we should be able to get there in 10 to 20 years. But why do you want computers to do that? What is the advantage of that? And are there any disadvantages? Imagine a CCTV camera outside a gym. That is seeing everybody who is coming in and looking at their facial expressions, their demeanor, the way they walk, and determines if they should be exercising or not that day, and inform the gym trainer to prevent accidental heart attacks. If that technology was available before, our beloved Dr. Rajkumar will still be interested. Similarly, imagine a computer on the phone, active, depressed person. Mental illness is a serious disease now. Many people are committing suicide because of depression. And if the computer can talk to them, understand their emotions in voice, and cheer them up, and bring them out of depression, that will be great help to humanity. Similarly, as a teacher, in a class of 100 people, each student may have different learning abilities. And the computer can cater each person according to their learning needs. Then there will be great help to students as well. I think there are many areas where this artificial general intelligence can be of great help. Then what are the disadvantages? Why should computers be intelligent like humans? First, existential threat for humans. You know from history that when one species is more intelligent than other species, they enslave them. The way humans enslave all the animals on the planet. The way British, just because they were better military strategists, they ruled most of the world at some point. The Americans enslaved Africans. So what is the guarantee that if the computers become more intelligent than us, they will not make slaves of humanity? There is a number of threat. Second, misuse. If this technology falls into wrong hands, some criminals can use them to break into houses. Terrorists can use it for terrorist activities. Rogue nations can use it to build weapons of mass destruction. Third, it may affect everybody and environment. And we are already experiencing that this technology, not because the AI is replacing the jobs, but since so many organizations are diverting their funds to artificial intelligence research, they are cutting off research from other projects. Therefore, many organizations are letting go of people, even if they require that. So, we are at the cusp of a technology that can enhance our lives, and also have the potential to destroy our lives. I have talked today, I gave a demo of artificial general intelligence as today with ChatGPT. Then I explained what is artificial general intelligence. What are the examples of human intelligence and the three areas where significant development is being done to achieve this artificial general intelligence. I looked at why we need this technology, and also I looked at why we shouldn't be investing this technology. And I also seen how this technology can help humanity and also how we can even end humanity as we know. As I conclude this speech, I want to leave you all with an open question. Suppose an alien species sends a message to Earth that we will be here in another 20 years and take over the Earth. Will you welcome them with open arms?